Hello and welcome to another Nucida session about artificial intelligence, AI, and how you can use these AI tools to get more precise test results. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Now, we will talk about artificial intelligence, AI, which is rapidly evolving. One of the prominent breakthroughs is OpenAI's ChatGPT, which has gained considerable attention. As AI and large language models, LLMs, like GPT-3 or GPT-4 gain prevalence, various industries are exploring their potential, including software testing. Integrating AI into test management tools seems enticing. Still, it is essential to understand that the true potential of this synergy only emerges when testers and their tools actively collaborate with AI, providing meaningful context, followed by extensive refinement and revision of LLM outputs. Failing to achieve this collaboration poses a risk to the hard-earned quality and development efficiency of today's teams. Without appropriately contextualizing and validating AI-generated results, testing tools may unintentionally suggest and generate test cases that do not align with development and user requirements, creating a misleading sense of quality and ultimately undermining the QA team's efforts. Before you delve into LLM applications, understanding the opportunities and their limitations in software testing is crucial, and that's what we'll be exploring in the article. Large language models, LLMs, belong to the subset of deep learning and generative AI, and they possess the ability to generate diverse content, such as text and images. Models like GPT-3 or GPT-4 undergo pre-training on extensive datasets and subsequent fine-tuning for specific tasks like text classification, question answering, document summarization, and text generation. While LLMs have achieved remarkable progress, they may only partially emulate human-like reasoning, making it crucial to consider their potential challenges with complex tasks when incorporating them into software testing. LLMs demonstrate prowess in applications requiring natural language processing, NLP capabilities, making them valuable assets for various testing tasks. Compelling use cases of LLMs in software testing include 1. Generating step-based test cases. LLMs aid in creating test cases from scratch, offering fresh perspectives and expanded test coverage. 2. Enhancing existing test cases. LLMs can add more detail to existing test cases, contributing to thorough testing. 3. Grammatical corrections in test cases. LLMs ensure grammatically correct and clear test cases, minimizing misunderstandings. To fully leverage LLMs in these scenarios, caution and rigorous validation are necessary, as LLM-generated test cases may occasionally produce irrelevant or unreliable instructions. LLMs cannot replace human testers. Instead, LLMs serve as collaborators, augmenting human expertise with unique capabilities. Leveraging pre-trained data, LLMs provide test ideas, information on test heuristics and oracles, and context from similar products during testing. Additionally, LLMs summarize test findings, rephrase bug reports for clarity, generate quick test automation code snippets, and identify potential code risks. Human testers and LLMs collaboration create a powerful synergy between human intuition and contextual understanding with the data-driven insights of LLMs, which enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of the testing processes. Do you have any questions? In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. The Nucida QA experts would be happy to support you. We will answer you in the comment section of this channel near time. While it has been reported that LLMs excel in passing various exams, such metrics may only partially represent their true performance in addressing general tasks typically performed by humans. These tasks demand skills, comprehension, and the ability to handle unforeseen challenges. They require extensive understanding of contexts and complex reasoning. Despite proving proficient in generating responses based on pre-trained data, LLMs encounter a range of difficulties and several challenges, including 1. Hallucination and fabrication of facts and references. 2. Reliance on non-verifiable sources with limited accessibility. 3. Bias in generated content. 4. Potential for defamation of individuals. 5. Risk of copyright infringement. And 6. Limited context window. That means restriction in the number of words inputted, leading to content that lacks context. These problems raise concerns about LLM-generated content's reliability and ethical implications. The AI and ML community is rapidly expanding, with insights and concerns coming from prominent researchers and vendors. It's important to note that while language models have made significant strides in these reasoning capabilities, they are not without limitations. They may sometimes produce incorrect or nonsensical responses, struggle with complex or nuanced reasoning tasks, and exhibit biases present in their training data. Even when you do discover a good prompt for your use case, you might notice that the quality of model responses isn't totally consistent. While LLMs provide valuable insights and assistance, human testers' judgment, intuition, and context-driven approach remain critical for comprehensive, high-quality testing. Large language models, LLMs, present remarkable opportunities to revolutionize software testing and amplify its efficiency and effectiveness. Throughout this exploration, we have seen how LLMs like GPT-3 or GPT-4 can help generate test cases, refine test instructions, and assist in various testing-related tasks. However, it's crucial to remember that software testing encompasses a broader scope, and utilizing LLMs does not necessarily require AI integration within the test management tool itself. Moreover, in complex scenarios involving extensive datasets, a deep understanding of the requirement's context is essential to create precise test cases. Striking the ideal balance between comprehensive requirement coverage and minimizing the number of test cases is challenging. Intelligent augmentation algorithms like XRay's Test Case Designer act as the perfect middleman between AI, LLMs, model-based test case generation, and human expertise. Achieving the right balance between human and LLM assistance ensures software testing excellence. In this bold new frontier, LLMs are not just a choice, but necessary to excel in software testing and drive innovation. It's crucial to remember that the collaboration between AI and human testers is what empowers testing teams to achieve a balanced approach, tapping into AI's strengths while capitalizing on human intuition and domain expertise. Ultimately, the synergy of AI and human testers sets the stage for a new era of software testing, where advanced technologies complement human ingenuity. As we navigate the ever-changing landscape of technology, it is crucial to stay informed, adaptable, and open to embracing AI-driven advancements in software testing. By harnessing the potential of AI in testing and appreciating the strengths of existing test management tools like XRay Enterprise and its Test Case Designer, organizations can achieve a harmonious blend of AI-driven insights and human-driven context, elevating software quality assurance to unprecedented heights. This concludes our overview about this topic. We hope that this will help you understand how to use AI tools within your testing processes in your test management tools, like XRay, or in your test driver like Selenium, Test Complete, UFT, or any other tools. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. To learn more, please take advantage of our other videos. Happy testing, and see you next time. Are you ready to supercharge your business ventures? The Nucida Consulting Group is here to propel you forward in key domains such as marketing, software quality, financial management, and digital transformation. Our dedicated experts stand by your side, whether it's a pressing issue that needs immediate attention or a visionary project waiting to be orchestrated seamlessly. With Nucida, you're not just a client, you're a partner. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss upcoming videos about software quality, test management, and test automation. We bring a wealth of knowledge to the table, ensuring your company not only thrives, but excels in the competitive market landscape. Ready to reach new heights? Visit our Nucida Group homepage, nucida.com, to learn more about our cutting-edge consulting services.